Okay, so the wind's a little bit too strong and the waves are a little bit too rough today to go swimming or... Hello!
Hey!
Hello. Snorkeling or swimming or anything. So we're probably just gonna drive up to the northern side of the isle and see what's up there to see. And it might be a little bit worse, the weather, because the wind is blowing in from the north. You can see the clouds. So we'll see. What do you think's gonna be up there, Ben?
Waterfalls and a lot of sights.
There might be some waterfalls to see on the way. We will see.
Does the sun ever come out in Hawaii?
There's a very real possibility there's a tsunami coming this way. I did promise you guys adventure. Should be fun. You know, just a giant storm of death and chaos. Real fun. Yeah, I get that we might all die, but does it have to be so annoying? In other news, a puppy. The puppy's like, what's going on? Stop. Stop, Benjamin. Are we gonna die? Okay, good. False alarm. Hello, Mr. Chicken, sir. Sir, why did you cross the road? Sir! Sir!
Doesn't that look yummy, Phyllis?
We can't leave you alone for 2 seconds, can we, Ben? You become a mother hen, don't you?
Watch. I'm tricking him.
Wow. Fish tacos and... What are you doing?
Come on, chicken.
No. You are not turning that chicken into a cannibal.
Come on.
No, don't you dare. The Queen's Bath. What exactly is the Queen's Bath, Dad?
I don't know, it's a hole.
It's a hole in the ground. You heard it here first. We came all the way to Hawaii for a hole in the ground. In the jungles, a mighty jungle. There's no lions, so I can't say the lion sleeps tonight. Just birds, mostly chickens.
The bird sleeps tonight.
The bird sleeps tonight. Like your shoes there, Ben.
Thank you.
I also like how the ground makes slimy noises when you stand in it. Like, squish, 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 squish. Ben,
What?
hardcore parkour. Come on, over the branches. Go. Hardcore parkour. There we go.
I'm not slipping and falling down there.
I almost tripped and died. Hardcore parkour. This is so amazing right now. And dangerous. Found a stream. Gotta get back over. Oh yeah. Major BA right here. Waterfall! Waterfall, that's why we came here! Can I see, I was gonna ask, but it doesn't even matter. I was gonna say, can I see the ocean? I can definitely see the ocean. Real question is, can you guys see the ocean? Warning. Huh. Warning. Warning. It seems inviting to me. Let's see what's over here. This place even exists. It's just so beautiful. Just look at this. I don't even know if the camera does it justice. It's amazing. Also, one thing I wanted to show you. Hello. Hello, Mom. Hello. Is these little teeny tiny snails everywhere. I wanted to show you guys. Just stuck to the wall everywhere. It's a little... Can't even pull them off. They're so stuck on there. I can tell you guys is this place is like really unforgiving. Look, I keep getting marked up and scratched all over the place. It's these lava rocks. They're just really sharp. Okay, Ben. Oh, be careful. Let me tell you, it was a lot easier going down this path than it is going up.
Favorite part.
That's disgusting. We stopped off the side of the jungle and we found this little shack in the middle of nowhere. And found a coconut. Ben, what's drinking?
Coconut.
So we decided to go to a swap meet, or a products fair, I guess, which they have all over Hawaii. And I'm in the market for a new bracelet because I need one, a new one, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't have enough already. No, I lost one in the Queen's Bath when we were there earlier today, so I gotta find a new one. So I guess there was like a 8.0 earthquake off the coast of Chile, and they're worried that there's going to be massive tidal waves coming in and crushing this island. So people have been all freaked out about it all day. That's why, probably why it's so windy and stuff, is they're happening all around the islands. So that should be pretty good YouTube right there. Looks like a wave just came in and took me away. Nothing good. Kind of a bummer, but nothing good. So explain to me what we're doing, Ben.
Well, Mom and Dad wanted to have a lazy day today, so we're walking on the beach.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I wanted to get video of like the nice soft sand and you're just messing it up.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a treat.
Da-na-na-na.
Make it the gnarliest that I've ever seen.
Da-na-na-na.
A major tsunami is not expected to strike the state. However, sea level changes and strong currents may occur along all coasts that could be a hazard to swimmers and boaters as well as persons near the shore.
Tidal waves, but they're still bracing for possible tsunami.
Honestly, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's pouring down rain. Well, it's sprinkling, but it's very windy. We probably think the best day to stay in and not do anything. I got rain all over my camera. You got a little smudge. Hang on. So whose idea was it to walk into town?
Dad.
So we decided to go shopping again because we didn't do anything today and yesterday was kind of a bummer.
Oh, I like that.
What are you looking at? Fruit. Amazing. So you're eating candy again? Mm-hmm. So have you been in Hawaii for more than 5 minutes without candy? Do you have a problem?
Yes.
So I'm walking along, minding my own business, and I see this written on a pair of boxers. And then I lost my faith in humanity. Effluent walk.
Amazing.
What was that?
Amazing.
Amazing. Hat. 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 Sometimes Hawaii just makes it too easy. Just look at the name of this place. It's called Puka Dog. I don't even need to make a joke about that. So after yesterday's disappointment, I decided to buy myself a necklace and a new bracelet. Because I totally need a new one. And what was the first thing you said when you saw it then?
Pretty. Ugly.
It started raining again just as I started recording this, but I'm pretty tired, it's pretty late, so I think I'm gonna end this video, although it's probably already long enough, so that should be fine. And I got a lot more stuff planned for tomorrow, plenty more Hawaiian videos to come, and enjoy life, live the adventure. Boom. Wait a minute, that's not how I end my videos. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe. Till then, bye!
What are you doing?
I was gonna climb through the tree. Stop.